Good morning, class. I am Alonica Meiji Garo from Bachelor of Elementary Education 2. I am your teaching demonstrator on our subject tackling foods and its component under Health Education 5 in our um, field of interest, MAFE 5. So now it is about to be discussed foods and its component. So there are fruits and vegetables like bread, rice, potatoes, and many more that we could eat that has the nutrients and vitamins. So now, foods, it refers to the nutritious nutriment, or it's either food and drinks that we eat to survive on living and to maintain the growth of our body. So as you can see, these are the level of foods that we eat or gain from kinds of foods that we eat. So, number one, the grains. There are the example of grains that we have, like bread, cereals, and rice. So, in the second level, we will see the fruits and vegetables. Then, milk and alternatives like, and also it is the co-level of meat, fish, and egg. Then the last or in the highest level of foods is fat or oil, salt and vinegar. So these are the what you call this? These are the common taste that we could taste on eating or drinking. So now we will heading onto the components of food. So are you interested to be tackle this subject or this lesson? Okay, number one is carbohydrates. So when we say carbohydrates, it is becomes glucose when we digest its nutrients on our body. Glucose or blood sugar is rich in energy and it becomes the source of our body to be active. These are some examples of carbohydrates. So banana, bread, wheat, and potatoes. I also prefer to you the circulations of what do you call this carbohydrates to become glucose. So in the most specific part, the cell. So number two, components of food also is fat. So now it provides heat and warmth on our entire body. It is a type of nutrient that you get from your diet. When doing any hard works, your body uses calories from foods you have eaten. So it is essential for us when we have a hard work to do as it will be it increase and to be outside in our body. So there are good fats and bad fats. So good fats, it is the fruits and fish that we will eat. So when it is considered as bad fats, it is the cheese, fried potatoes, and like hamburger that you eat. Okay, number three, class is one of the components of food proteins. So it is important to the most part of the cell living, from the structure down to its function. It helps our body to grow and on muscle building. Seafoods are high in protein like salmon, shrimp, and clams. So these are the examples that I have referred to you, chicken, fish, and cheese. So there are high protein diet. The bad effect or the we do not have to what you call this to eat many proteins just to maintain we will just have to maintain the needs of our body. So number four for most vitamins and minerals. It helps to normal the function or the flow of cells on our body. It covers to defend and develop the deficiencies found in our body. It is either soluble or the foods that we eat that we gain from our surroundings or the what do you call this water soluble like tablets, vitamin, and riboflavin, which has in 8B vitamins. So when we say foods, it is the mm, food that we take on everyday living. So when it is water soluble, it is the human-made or the human-made vitamins and minerals. So that's all on our the discussion that we have for today. Thank you for watching.